17:30, I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door.
Hey ma,
what's that?
let's slide. Alright,
and we gon' get it on tonight.
you smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good.
Cause we gon' get high tonight.
Got drops,
Got crew.
got trucks.
Got G.
Alright,
Cause we gon' take a ride tonight.
so ma,
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright,
and we gon' get it on
Now I was downtown clubbing, ladies night. Seen shorty, she was crazy, right? And I approached baby like, Mom, what's your Asian type? She looked at me and said, hey, you's a baby, right? I told her I'm 18 and live a crazy life. Plus I'll tell you what the 80s like, and I know what the ladies like. Need a man that's polite, listens and takes advice. Well, I could be all three. Plus I could lay the pipe. Come with me, come stay the night. She looked at me laughing like, boy, your game is tight. I'm laughing back like, show you right, get in the car. And don't touch nothing, sit in the car, let's discuss something. Either we loving or I'll see you tomorrow. And now we're speeding up the west side and creeping up the left side. I'm ready to do it, ready to bone, ready for dawn. 55th exit, damn, we already home. Now let's get it on.
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright,
and we gon' get it on tonight.
you smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good.
Cause we gon' get high tonight.
Got drops,
Got crew.
got trucks.
Got G.
Alright,
Cause we gon' take a ride tonight.
so ma,
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright,
and we gon' get
now
it.
that I got a girl, my ex wanna holler and spit. Told me to acknowledge it quick. She like that, stop frontin'. On that Dave House to tip. Come over, let's swallow and sip. I'm like, mama's sick, I promise you dick. Usually have a problem with chicks, why? They all say I'm riding and rich, but not her. Boobies real, high heel doobie feel. Plus got them Gucci wheels, yeah. You a cutie still, and it's my down girl too. Ain't no groupie deal. We left the movies with Uzi, Suzuki wheels to the jacuzzi. I tell you my boobies real, yeah. I mean she do be winning, Louis spinning. Go to the crib, she got the Gucci linen. I see Booby grinning. She looked and said, Nash, I know that you'll be sinning. Nah, I'm a changed man, look at the range, man. I got a whole new game plan. Looked and said, that's nothing but game, Nash. She was right, she was up in the range, man. Dropped her off at the L, now I'm flipping the cell. That's right, I had to call up L. Yo, L,
What up?
I hit,
What up?
plus don't.
Say what?
And we got it on tonight. Hey, mom,
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright,
And we gon' get it on tonight.
you smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good.
Cause we gon' get high tonight.
Got drops,
Got crew.
got trucks.
Got G.
Alright,
Cause we gon' take a ride tonight.
so ma,
What's that?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright,
and we gon' get it on tonight.
Let me see you roll it.
Come smoke with me, baby girl, let's roll some tree. Let's get higher than a kite, go to the land.
Hi dream beaters, I'm glad you made it through this video. I'm glad you clicked on this video, and I'm glad you liked, comment, and subscribe to this video. You already know what I say every time I make a video for you guys. I love you all, and I really appreciate those that really support me and stick with me throughout all my trials and tribulations. Like I said, I'm under the influence right now. My voice is actually a little deep. I'm having trouble breathing, so I don't know what's going on, if I'm getting the flu or pneumonia. But I still maintain to make this video for y'all. Y'all stay loyal to me, and I'll stay loyal to y'all. Y'all just have to be patient with me because I'm going through some things right now. But this is the look, the Valentine's Day look. So I hope y'all like it and enjoy this look. Y'all got my social media. My Snapchat is Trin with 1 eye, Marie16. My Instagram is Trin with 2 eyes, Beat My Face. And my Facebook is Trin with 2 eyes, Trin with 2 eyes, the MUA. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to be a part of the notification gang, click that bell right below, and you will get notified each and every time I post a video, so you don't want to miss it. Bye.